Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is about sneezing. Have you ever thought about why and how we sneeze? Dust, flakes of dead skin, pollution, microbes find their way into nose air passage. When mucous membrane in the lining of nose detects these intruders, they send a urgent message to our brain to unleash a sneeze. Sneeze is sudden explosive release of air, saliva and mucus from nose and mouth, which flushes out irritants. Sneezing cannot occur during sleep. Sufficient external stimulants may cause a person to wake up from sleep to sneeze, but any sneezing occurring afterwards would take place with a partially awake status. Sneezing is a lightning fast involuntary reaction in which chest, stomach, throat and face muscles work together to blast particles from nasal passage. The whole process lasts less than 3 seconds and it propels boogers and other particles from nose and mouth at nearly 100 miles per hour or 161 kilometers per hour speed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.